Come here, Emma. Sit. Stay. Sit. Stay. Stay. Not you. Okay. Wait a minute. Here, Luna. Topper, you're going to give yourself a brain freeze, man. Oh, good, Emma. Boy, greedy goobers. Now you have a brain freeze, don't you? Topper, I can't believe he swallowed his whole.
I thought he ran off into the living room with it.
No, he went right there and he gobbled it down.
Oh.
Okay, everybody lick up the floor from all your mess. There's going to be a dog fight over here because Emma's being slow. Okay, are we all done? Got your bowls all cleaned out? Emma finished hers? Wow, that was a feeding frenzy.